A very good morning, children. Today we are going to learn a new lesson, and the lesson is about teeth. Okay? When a photographer asks you to say cheese, what he actually wants to say? He wants you to smile. Okay? He wants you to smile. Clean and well kept teeth make our smile beautiful. If you clean your teeth and we will take care of your teeth, what it will give? The teeth makes our smile beautiful. They give proper shape to our face. Teeth helps us to speak clearly. They enables us to bite and chew food. You'll eat and chew food, no? Which helps? Teeth helps us to bite and chew food. These makes digestion easy. So our teeth are very important part of our body. Okay? Teeth are a very important part of our body. So today we are going to learn about teeth and microbes. Okay, what is the lesson name? Teeth and microbes. We learn about teeth today. Okay, what you are seeing the picture in the video? A baby picture, no? A newborn baby has no teeth. A newborn baby has no teeth. She cuts her first tooth when she is about 6 months old. When she is about 6 months old, what she'll do? She'll cut her foot. Okay? By the time she is 2.5 years old, she has 20 teeth. When the baby is 2.5 years old, how many teeth does she have? When she is 2.5 years old, the baby has 20 teeth. Okay? These are called as milk teeth or temporary teeth. What they are called as? Milk teeth or temporary teeth. You can see the figure of the temporary teeth in the video. See, what are these? Temporary teeth. How many temporary teeth are there? 20. When a kid is about 2.5 years old, they have 20 teeth. Okay? Temporary teeth. See, what are there? 4 incisors, 2 canines and 2 molars. Okay? There are 3 types. What are those? Incisors, canines and molars. The first 4 teeth are incisors, and beside of incisor 2 teeth are canines and the remaining are molars. Okay, these are temporary teeth. Temporary teeth are also called as milk teeth. Between the ages of 6 and 12, what happens? The milk teeth fall out one by one and new ones grows in their place. The milk teeth will fall out and in that place the new one will grow. These new set consists of 32 teeth. How many teeth? 32 teeth. 16 in the upper jaw and 16 in the lower jaw. Okay, how many teeth are there? Totally 32 teeth and 16 in the upper jaw and 16 in the lower jaw. And these teeth are called as permanent teeth. These are called as permanent teeth. In the video you can see the picture. There are incisors, canines, premolars and molars. In the temporary teeth we don't have premolars, but in the permanent teeth we have premolars. So next one is kinds of teeth. What is the next one? Kinds of teeth. How many kinds of teeth are there? There are 4 kinds of teeth in a permanent set. Okay? In the permanent teeth there are 4 kinds. Okay? What are those? Incisors, canines, premolars and molars. So first of all, incisors. Incisors are also called as cutting teeth. Incisors are also called as cutting teeth. The four chisel shaped teeth at the front of each jaw are incisors. In the previous picture you saw that there are four chisel shaped teeth in front of each jaw. They are called as incisors. We use them to bite our food. Next is canines. Canines are tearing teeth. We use these teeth to tear the pieces of food. Okay. Canines are on either side of the cutting teeth. Okay, on the either side of the cutting teeth there is a sharp tooth that is called as canine. And next is premolar. Premolar or cracking teeth. Premolars are also called as cracking teeth. There are four premolars in each jaw. These are broad teeth next to the canines. Beside of the canines, what are there? Premolars. They act like nut cutters. You know nut cutter, no? They will, in the same way, these tooth will act as a nut cutter. They are meant for crushing food. They will crush the food. And next is molars. Molars are also called as grinding teeth. There are 6 molars in each jaw. How many molars are there? 6 molars in each jaw. They are broader than the premolars and have broad upper surfaces to grind the food. In the picture you can see the incisors, canines, premolars and molars. They have given the picture of scissor. Why will you use scissor? To cut now? Yes or no? To cut the cloth or to cut the paper. In the same way, incisors will also help in the cutting of food. Okay. Next one is canines. They have given the picture of fork. Fork you will use for the tearing of food, no? And next is nut cutter and next is the molars. Okay. So this is for the today's session. In the next session we will learn more about the teeth and about the structure of a tooth. This is for the today's session. Thank you.